What's up, you guys? I'm actually filming with my front camera, so you want to pardon my video quality, right? So excitingly, I did actually hit the 3,000 watch hours threshold and 1K subscribers to get monetized into the YouTube, get accepted into the YouTube partner program. So guys, I'm not going to go ahead and apply for the monetization ASAP, okay? And I actually want you to follow me up on this journey. In case you're not monetized yet, just see the way I do it, just so when you get monetized, you wouldn't find it difficult to actually do this, guys. So join me when I hop onto my phone screen rather, and then let's get this done together as soon as possible. I can't wait, guys. Right, let's get in, guys. Here we are on my YouTube studio. So this is really exciting, I have been anticipating this button like show up on my YouTube studio right here, this apply button right here. So I have been anticipating this button for a very long time now, just to get active, just so I can go ahead to apply for my monetization. But voila, here we are today. So guys, I just actually hit the 3,000 watch hours threshold and the 1K subs threshold on YouTube, okay, but I haven't hit 4,000 yet, like you can see here on my screen. So since I've actually hit the 3,000, I think this will enable me to be able to pick up my memberships and supers, including shopping, right? So I'm just going to go ahead to apply for this monetization right here. So just when this one completes 4K, I think that is for watch page ads and short feed ads. So it will just like activate on autopilot. So for now, let's go ahead and apply for this monetization right here on my screen. And by the way, I'm just going to keep you updated just in case the 4K watch hours is completed and you see what's going on. So it's important to subscribe to the button, to the channel, turn on notifications so that you get updated whenever this video drops, right? So guys, I can't wait to click on this button. So I'm just going to do everything here on the screen. Whatever it is, you follow up, step by step, and then see how it's done, just in case you've not monetized yet. You can see the way it goes, right? So let's go. I'm just going to go ahead and hit on the apply button now. Okay, steps to apply: review best terms, read these terms carefully. These are the terms here. I'm not actually going to go ahead and read these terms. I don't know, that could be a bad word anyways, but then I actually do not have any option right now to accept to these terms. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click I accept the base terms, because if you don't accept these terms, apparently you go nowhere. So definitely whatever is there, I'm just gonna accept it, right? Okay, so I have accepted that. Now sign up for AdSense for YouTube. Create an AdSense for YouTube account or connect to an existing AdSense account. I think I have an AdSense account, so let's see how it goes. Yes, I have an AdSense for YouTube or AdSense account. Like, I'm going to go ahead and choose that because I think I've created an AdSense account already, okay, when I actually started my blogging journey, just so I can get paid. So I'm just going to select yes, I have one. Yes, I have one. Okay, I don't know, should I go for I don't know? I think I actually watched a video, creator trying to advice, that you should actually go for I don't know. Then YouTube is just like going to go ahead and check out if you actually have one. So let me assume I do not have one. Let me click on I don't know, and then let's see what happens. I think YouTube will try to analyze if I do have one, right? So yeah, so let me go ahead and log in to okay, authentication. I just need to confirm if I'm the one trying to log in, right? Yeah. So YouTube is actually going to go ahead to show me if I actually have an AdSense account existing. So let's wait and see how that goes. Okay, so the verification is done. I have to take my Face ID. Okay guys, we are in. I hit on continue. Home address skip. So let's see, I think it's supposed to fetch out the AdSense account that's existing already. Okay, so like you can see here, continue with this account, continue. All right, AdSense for YouTube terms and conditions, blah blah blah. Like I said, I'm not just going to go ahead and read these terms because firstly you have to accept it. If you do not accept this, you can't continue, right? So I'm just going to accept it and then hit on set up account. Yeah, this information, I've actually set them up already on my AdSense account, so I feel like everything is okay. Account type is individual and then my name and address. So I'm just going to hit submit. So we are reviewing your info. Review usually takes less than a day, but in some cases can take a bit longer. You can check your account status in YouTube Studio. So we are okay. So I think that has gone through now. All right, so yeah, so I feel it's done now. So the step 2 is in progress right now. So once that is done, we're actually going to move over to step 3. So guys, I'm actually going to pause this video. I think it's, I don't know, it's, yes, I'm going to pause this video here just so when the verification process for step 2 is done, and then I'll continue from step 3. All right, yeah. All right guys, so here am I waking up the next day to this right here. So the sign up for AdSense has been approved. Like you can see the green tick right here. So automatically the review part of it is in progress. Okay, I literally did not have to do anything. All right, so today is 9th. This is exactly 5:37. Okay, so we actually applied for this last night. It's October, so I just woke up 5:37 to this green tick right here, and the third stage, which is the review stage, is in progress. Okay, so I'm just gonna actually pause the video right here. So once the review is done, I'll still come back and I'll show you guys what's happening. Okay, all right guys, so I'm back here at my YouTube Studio after every approval. So if I come right here to my end tab, like you can see, voila, my supers are all active right now. So if I click on supers, you're going to see here, okay, estimated revenue 0. So I have actually not earned anything from super yet. So my super thanks, super channel, super stickers are all active, right? They're all active. So if I refresh that page, like you can see, voila, supers manager, supers, everything is actually pretty much active right here. And then yes, you can see now my memberships is live. Okay, so if I click on that, you can actually see right here, estimated revenue 0. It's just been, I mean, this feature has just been added up for me right here. So I actually do not have any memberships right now. So you guys, you want to subscribe to my memberships, okay, for extra perks, right? Okay, so yes, so I hope you're not forgotten. So this monetization was actually for the 3,000 watch hours and 1K subscribers threshold. So this actually gave me access to memberships and supers. Okay, all right, so so this is the watch page ads right here and short feed ads, and this will be added to me once I hit my 4,000 valid public watch hours. Okay, and guys, anytime from today, tomorrow, I mean, this is actually going to be live, and I'm still going to come right here and show you how everything works out, right? So yes, I did a lot of things behind the scenes, so but nothing really different, nothing really difficult. So the memberships actually had to go ahead and select the perks I actually want my members to benefit from, and then add the price tag. So this one is actually at, I mean, it's supposed to be at your discretion. Okay, whatever you want to give to your members and whatever you feel your members should actually pay. So it's not really a difficult one. You just want to go ahead and select your perks or whatever you feel you can offer your community and how much you feel your community can actually pay you in return, right? And then the supers will just straight up, I just clicked that, got it activated, and voila, the super thanks, chats and stickers were all enabled, guys. Yeah, so we are literally waiting for this. So let me quickly like run you through the emails actually got, I mean the confirmation emails I actually got yes, in getting all this stuff right here. Okay, so this was the first mail that came in yesterday. Monetized with Frank, congrats, you can now apply to the YouTube partner program. Okay, yeah, and I started my application. So the second mail that came in was okay, was this changes to YouTube payment details. So this was when I was actually setting up my AdSense account. Okay, welcome to the partner program. So this was when my AdSense sign up and review was actually successful. Okay, and I was sent this email Okay, so just this morning, I actually woke up this morning to this email. Welcome to the partner program. Congratulations, your dedication has paid off, and you are now among a prestigious community of creators building their voices and businesses on YouTube. So this was a really exciting one, right? And then this, when my membership perks were reviewed and accepted by YouTube. Okay, this was when it was being reviewed. Your perks are being reviewed, so I actually had to hold on for review to finish up. So congratulations, you are one step closer to launching memberships on your channel and reaching your fans in new and exciting ways. Okay, so literally this was when my perks were approved. Like you can see right here, my membership perks, your perks have been approved. So you guys want to go subscribe to my membership because you actually do not want to miss out on these perks, guys. Yes, so guys, so right, that's pretty much it. So whenever we hit our 4K watch hours, which will happen anytime from today and tomorrow, I'm still gonna come back here and let you guys know what's up. All right, guys, cheers. Thank you very much. If you have been a supporter of this channel, I so much appreciate. Thank you. You've done so well. I mean, I wouldn't have gotten here without you, without your effort. Thank you once again. All right, guys, bye, and I'm gonna see you on the next one.